All right, so these are just my marshmallows, my peanut butter, my 3/4 a stick of regular butter, condensed milk, vanilla on my medium heat, and we are just gonna continue mixing this until it's all melted together. All right, those marshmallows are just about fully melted. Look how creamy that looks, yummy. I am now coming in with my Rice Krispie treats, and we are gonna put a generous amount in there, about 5 cups. And we are gonna start mixing that in with our peanut butter marshmallow mixture to create the most delicious dessert. All right, look at that delicious stickiness. This is ready. All right, so we're gonna pour half of this mixture into our greased 13 by 9. It's okay if you struggle a little bit. Just make sure we evenly divide that. That looks about right. I'm gonna grab my butter wrapper because this is the best way to flatten out your Rice Krispies. Now these aren't just your standard Rice Krispies. We are doing a fun little summer twist with them. It's gonna be so good, so delicious, and just the best thing you've ever eaten. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I'm coming in with my strawberry jelly. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a peanut butter and jelly Rice Krispie treat. Now I'm using strawberry jelly, but you can use grape jelly if that's what you prefer. I just personally love strawberry jelly. And we are gonna get a nice layer of this jelly right on top of our Rice Krispies for a delicious, fun treat. Bring in one more spatula and we are going to just spread this from edge to edge. Just make sure we got a good layer, and as you're spreading it, you can kind of decide whether or not you want to add more jelly. It's totally your call. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more, right, babe?
Yeah, but I think we need more.
Goodness, that looks so good. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the rest of our Rice Krispies. All right, grab our spatula and get that right on top to make almost like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. All right, and we're gonna flatten out our second layer of Rice Krispie treats. Delicious. Oh my goodness, the peanut butter smells so good, you guys. All right, that is all flattened out and layered. It looks incredible. This is gonna go ahead in the fridge for about 1 hour to let it harden up. All right, this has been in the fridge for 1 hour. It is time to give it a taste test. Cut right into it. And it should just come right up. Oh my goodness, look how decadent that looks. It's time to give it a try. Really good, you guys.